Hello. And if you have 15 minutes to spare, today we are making Hakka melongene. That's all it takes. It's just 15 minutes. Let's go. And these are my ingredients all put together for you. Firstly, I'm going to wash my melongene, peel it and cube it up into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to season them up with salt, chicken seasoning, my Hakka seasoning, some green seasonings for flavor, and I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top of it so our seasoning salts will adhere to our melongene. Our aim is to make a quick and easy vegetarian meal. So we are getting ready to fry this baby. So our oil is in a pot on the stove getting hot at the moment. And I'm going to improvise again today. I'm experimenting with something because normally when you're frying this, you will use cornstarch. Today I don't have cornstarch, so I'm trying something and it is going to work out well because I'm using a bit of flour and I'm using some cornmeal. When these two combine and fry, we're going to get that outer crunch that we're looking for. So let's do medium to high heat and we're going to constantly turn it until we see it get brown and nice, and remove it from the heat and put it in our strainer. This process is very fast, so stay right by your stove. Like I said, the whole process is only 15 minutes of cooking and a beautiful meal to enjoy at the end. It's a great vegetarian meal, so follow on. And did you know that eggplant is used as a meat substitute in many dishes? Guess why? If you guess because of its bulkiness and texture, you are right. And let me stop a minute here and check in with you guys. Are you following along? I hope so, because this is such an easy recipe for a beginner. And we are making our sauce with bandania, carrots, pimentos, onions. We are going to saute this in a little bit of oil, and then we are going to add our ketchup and soy sauce. For those who eat soy sauce, and who does not eat soy sauce, we will substitute it with fish sauce. Yum! And it just takes a little stirring in the heat to get everything to combine. Then we're going to remove from the heat, stir in our melongene, and voila! There we are, time to eat.